Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a proxy in a FollowLiker program. Let's get started. Launch the program. Click on Tools in the top left corner. Select Proxy Manager from the menu. In the window that opens, right-click to either import a proxy from a document with a .txt extension or select New to set up a new proxy. You can also edit an existing proxy by clicking on Edit. Enter the proxy data in the window that opens. In the proxy field, enter the IP and port in the format of IP:port. If you have a free proxy, you don't need to enter anything else. If you have a dedicated one, enter the username and password for the proxy in the corresponding fields. Click Save to save the changes. That's it. Proxies are now set up in FollowLiker. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.